Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about a Turing machine problem. So construct a Turing machine to accept all strings containing a substring ABA. So if the string has ABA as a substring, then it should be accepted by our Turing machine. Otherwise, it should be rejected. So for example, AB. So this string has ABA as a substring. So it has to be accepted by our Turing machine, right? And similarly, ABA alone. So the string has only ABA. This is also a correct input string because it contains substring ABA. So this type of string should be accepted by our Turing machine. So these are the tape symbols A, B and blank. Okay, so Q naught is a start state. If the first input symbol is A, means first the tape symbol is A means we need to change our state to the next state Q1. A remains A, move is right move, right? So whenever the first symbol is A, after recognizing A, we should change our state to Q1. After recognizing A, we will be in state Q1. Okay, suppose the first tape symbol is B. If we are in state Q naught and the first tape symbol is B, means still we didn't start reading the substring, right? So in state Q naught, the first tape symbol is B, means we have to remain in the same state, no change in state, right? We have to remain in the same state. We have to wait for A to reach the next state Q1. So in state Q naught, B is the current tape symbol, means no change in state and no change in tape symbol, just the move is right move. So in this case also the first symbol is B, right? So B remains B and the move is right move, right? And we are in same state Q naught. So in Q naught, the next symbol is A. So in this case also the next symbol is A. So no change in tape symbol A, but state change to Q1 and the move is right move. Okay. So state change to Q1 and the move is right move. So now the current state is Q1. So in state Q naught, if B is a tape symbol, then we should remain in the same state, right? If A is a tape symbol, we need to reach Q1. So we will be in state Q1 after reading symbol A. So in Q1, the next symbol must be B, right? If the next symbol is B, then we can reach the next state Q2, but the next symbol is A. We should still wait in the same state. So in Q1, the next symbol is again A. For example, consider B, A, B, A. Okay. So after reading B, we will be in state Q naught. After reading A, we will go to state Q1. So in Q1, again we are reading A, means we should remain in state Q1. A remains A, move is right move. Okay, so the next symbol is B. So the next symbol is B means in Q1, if the next symbol is B means we can enter into state Q2. B remains B, move is right move. Okay, so now we are in state Q2. So we will be in state Q2 after recognizing AB. So if the next symbol is A, okay, after recognizing AB, we will be in state Q2 and the next symbol is A means in these two cases, the next symbol is A means we can enter into the next state Q3. A remains A, move is right move. Okay, so in this case and here also the move is right move. Here blank appears and here A. Okay, so the move is right move. But after recognizing AB, the next symbol is B. So what is the meaning of that? Suppose B, A, B, B. If this is our input string, okay. So after recognizing AB, we will be in state Q2. So now the next symbol is B. The meaning is we didn't have the input string sorry, the substring ABA. Again, still we need to wait. Again, we need to wait for ABA to accept, to enter into the final state, right? So after AB, one more B is coming, means we need to go to the starting state, because we have to again read ABA. So state change to Q naught, B remains B, move is right move. So in Q2, if B is a tape symbol, we need to enter into Q naught, but A is a tape symbol, means state enter, we can go to Q3. So in Q3, when we will be in state Q3, after recognizing ABA as a substring. So after ABA, whatever the input symbols, whatever the tape symbols it may be, either A or B, just perform right move until blank appears. When we reach blank, we can go to the final state. So in Q3, if A is a tape symbol, no change in state, no change in tape symbol, move is right move. Similarly in Q3, if B may be the tape symbol, so Q3 remains Q3, B remains B, move is right move. So this will be repeatedly performed for all A's and B's, and we will see blank at one point of time. So in Q3, if blank is the tape symbol, state enters into Q4 as a final state, and blank remains blank, move is either left or right. So Q4 is a final state. These are the undefined functions. Okay. So the transition diagram representation for this is Q naught as a start state. If A is a tape symbol, then we need to enter into state Q1. So A/A right move. In Q naught, suppose B is a tape symbol, we should remain in the same state. So B/B right move. In Q1, if A is a tape symbol, that is, after recognizing A, another A is coming, means no problem with the reading substring. So we may wait in state Q1, A/A right move. And suppose B is a tape symbol. In Q1, if B is a tape symbol, we have to enter into state Q2, B/B right move. In Q2, if A is a tape symbol, then we can reach the next state Q3, because A is a substring, means we need to try to reach the final state. Otherwise, we should do the remaining possible ways. So in Q2, if A is a tape symbol, we should go to Q3. So A/A right move. Then in Q2, B is a tape symbol. That is, after recognizing AB, we will be in state Q2. But now another B is coming. So again we need to read ABA to reach the final state. So we need to go to Q naught. Again we need to go to Q naught. So Q2 to B, Q2 to Q naught. Q2 to Q naught, we need to write B/B right move. Then in Q3, okay, we will be in state Q3 after recognizing the substring ABA. So now in state Q3, for all the symbols A and B, for both the A and B, we will be in same state Q3. So Q3 to Q3, A/A right move. Similarly, B/B right move. Suppose if we see blank, we can enter into the final state Q4. So blank/blank right move. Okay, so this is the transition diagram representation for the substring ABA. So now we have to write the 7-tuple notation. So the Turing machine M equals Q naught to Q4. Input symbols A and B. Tape symbols A, B blank. Delta is a transition function. It is represented as a table as well as diagram. Then Q naught is a start state, blank is a tape symbol, and Q4 is a final state. Now we can take an example string and check whether it is a correct input string or not. So I have taken AABA as the input string. So this string has ABA as a substring. So definitely it is accepted by our, it will be accepted by our Turing machine. So Q naught A move is right move, and state change to Q1. So I have to write state here, leave one space and write the state here. So Q1, A remains A. This A remains A. Write the remaining symbols. So A, B, A. The next symbol must be blank, right? Then Q1 and A. Q1 and A move is right move. State Q1. A remains A. So A, B, A blank. Then Q1 and B. Q1 and B. So move is right move. State Q2. B remains B. Write the remaining symbols. Then Q2 and A. Q2 and A. So move is right move. State Q3. A remains A. Now Q3 and blank. Q3 and blank. So move is right move. State becomes Q4. Blank remains blank. The next symbol is definitely blank. Then Q4 comma blank. Q4 comma blank is undefined. So that the Turing machine halt. As well as we need to check the state. Since Q4 is a final state, we can say that AABA is accepted by our Turing machine. Okay, and Turing machine halts. And since Q4 is a final state, Turing machine accepts the input string AABA. Thank you.